Hi, I'm Sharon Lauricella, and I'm Associate Professor and Program Director in the Communication and Digital Media Studies program at Ontario Tech. I'm excited to welcome you to our online open house and to our program itself. Because we're doing this online virtual open house really is important in showcasing communication and digital media studies. For example, because of this pandemic, we are focusing on new ways of finding information, whether it's newspapers, online media, could be videos, could be social media like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, are all ways that people get information, and it's how we share information, and also, really importantly, how we keep in touch with each other. So the Communication and Digital Media Studies program really helps us to understand how we make sense of messages and how we use digital media to learn new things and to spread messages and to keep in touch with one another. Our program is really creative and it's super fun. For example, next year I'll be teaching a first year course in public speaking in which we do little TED Talks, and some of them are online, some of them are face-to-face. And I also teach an experiential learning class in which I take students for 3 days camping over the reading week. And of course, that's optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Lots of my colleagues have other really exciting courses such as entertainment goes global, television, popular culture, persuasion. We've got faculty who focus on wearable computing and all kinds of really exciting communication and digital media studies projects. So I really look forward to welcoming you to our program, and I'll see you at Ontario Tech.